Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update. Now this is not something that you want to see for OP, and this is really something weird going on. Is this still an extension of a C correction? Are we going to continue to dump to the downside? Was this just a fake out? What is going on exactly? Was that a stop loss hunt? Now in my opinion though, this is still a part of a C correction. Let me actually tell you why. Because things get confusing, and there's a certain range and not a certain thin number that I really have to tell you. And in order for me to express this, let's actually zoom out a little bit and let's take the Elliott wave theory waves count. So from there to there, we're talking about the first wave, second wave down there, third wave up here, the fourth wave, and the fifth wave finally right over there. So if you do that and you take the ABC correction, you're talking about this A right there, the B right there, and then you're talking about the C. So where does this C ends, okay, is the question. Now, just because you went up a little bit and came down doesn't really mean anything bad, right? It's still a part of that C correction. And this is what I was expecting, that maybe this one was the end of the C correction. Maybe this is the end of the C correction, the current price that you are right now after this big drop, and you still have an opportunity maybe to invest in OP. Still looks super cheap to me at the moment. So maybe this is the C. Maybe the C comes down to 1.4, 1.3 or something. I don't know. But the thing is that you don't want to come down to 1.2 and close above, below 1.38. That's really bad. Then that's going to be very bad, right? The C correction should just be down there, and then that could be the end of it. So then from there you might actually start another impulsive move to go up to the 4.2 $4.3, which is a technical target out of the saucer bottom. So Bitcoin is looking good. Bitcoin is looking amazing. I don't know where this is going to bottom out, but if the C correction is meant to be lower, doesn't really mean it's bad, right? If the C correction is down here, doesn't really mean it's bad. The thing is that we need to get the bottom of that C correction, unless we don't start to lose some very important levels, which are these ones. And if you start lose those technical levels, then that's going to be really bad, right? That's going to be bad. And we're going to be covering that. We're going to be talking about that. So keep an eye on the channel, keep an eye on the updates. And that's it for this update at the moment. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Office.